Good morning, hope you're feeling incredible. It's morning here, so I'm feeling a little bit groggy. We're gonna get coffee on the go, I reckon. But today's recipe that we're gonna show you is a green smoothie. This green smoothie is gonna be packed with delicious vitamins, minerals, nutrients, all of the things your body needs.
I mean, look at all this good stuff. It's like you've got the greens here, you've got the oats here, it just looks amazing. Best way to kick off is talk about the kit. What have we got here?
Right, so this is a Blendex Pro. It looks a little bit bad boy, to be fair.
Yeah, definitely. Looks like it might take off.
Yeah, I think it probably will.
What have we got first and foremost?
So I've just put in 50 grams of kale. I've put in 50 grams of spinach, and this is 15 grams of fresh parsley.
What's that?
15 grams.
Oh, mint.
Mint,
Yeah.
fresh mint.
So what? That's all the green stuff then, is that?
All the green stuff, exactly. But I want to give this a bit of a pre-blend just to make sure the green stuff is fully blitzed.
That makes a whole bunch of sense.
So I'm going to add this. This is plant-based milk.
People always ask us every single time, where do you get your protein from, firstly? And the second question is B12.
Yeah.
And it's this stuff, right?
Found the squisher. Is that what this is called?
I would say that's a lightsaber.
Lightsaber. So this thing is for kind of zhuzhing your veg down. I think that's technical term. So we're going to just shove that down there and get this blending.
It looks like it's done the job, that.
Wow. So we've just turned all of the green stuff. Imagine if you were eating a salad, like all of that green stuff has just gone into about 250 ml of green liquid, which we can drink.
How does it smell? Minty.
Minty?
Very minty.
Oh yeah, you can get them in. So next up, we are gonna go in with all of the rest of our ingredients. You can use half an avocado for this.
So guys, quick tip, this is how you open an avocado, but when you're doing it, make sure you do it nice and carefully, because you wouldn't want to cut your hand open.
So what are we doing here?
So we've got the knife, so we hit the stone, and now
Yeah.
we're twisting the avocado around in our hand, taking it away, splitting the bad boy open, finding the seed. Dessert spoon, big one, scoop it into your blender, and there you are.
So next up, we've got about a quarter of a cucumber. I've actually just chopped it in 3.
Humble apple.
So what I want you to do is just chop that up,
The full lot.
the full lot.
Right, in we go, very good.
I've just broken up a stick of celery. So I'm just squeezing in the juice of a lemon, catching the pips in one hand. Next up, we're going in with some rolled oats. Now what these are gonna do, they're gonna give us some slow release carbohydrates.
Yep.
That are going to keep giving us a bit of energy throughout the whole morning. What you could do, actually, talking about packing this with goodness, is if you have just been to the gym, you can absolutely add a bit of protein powder. About 60 grams of mixed berries. That is about a centimetre of ginger. Now in goes a little pinch of chili flakes. And the final ingredient, you know what that is? You recognise that?
Is it flax seeds?
It is indeed. And then finally we have a little handful of ice, which is just going to give a bit more body. Nearly got a bit in my eye there.
Give it a little taste. Very, very nice.
Let me try that.
One thing I would say about this is, for me right now, it's a little thick.
Put about, say, an extra 100 mils in.
Amazing.
Test this out yourself, see how thick you want it. What we're going to do is I'm going to divide it between these 2 actual cups from a bullet blender, and I'm going to have one for now and one for later. So one of them is going to be for work, and the other one is for now.
For now.
Look at that. And if you drink that, you just know you're already ahead of yourself for the day. How does it taste?
It's genuinely very, very good. Yeah, there's no bits in it whatsoever. It's nice and smooth, it's nice and thick.
There you have it. That was our green smoothie, packed with goodness, feeling lighter, fitter and healthier already.
Guys, it has been a pleasure. See you next time.